Hi grades 4, this is Miss David. For this lesson, you need to open your reading duotang to lesson 58. In today's lesson, we are going to learn two things. We are going to learn the third sound of the phonogram CH. So it makes the ch sound as in child. It makes the k sound as in school. And the third sound which we are going to look at today is the sh sound as in the word chef. Okay? The second thing we are going to learn is how our English words have been influenced by French, language French, okay? So we are going to look at some of those words. Now, as we begin our lesson, let us quickly, I'm going to say some words, and I want you to listen to the third sound of this phonogram, which is the sh sound. So the sh sound, as in the word chic, or as in the word chauffeur, or charade, or mustache, parachute, chalet, and crochet. Okay, so these were words, some of the words that have the CH sound and the third sound of the phonogram CH, which is the sh sound. Okay, now let us quickly look at the lesson that has to do with French. Now, if you didn't know, nearly 30% of English words actually come from French. Isn't that so crazy? We didn't even know. Okay? And many times we speak and we don't even realize that actually these words come from French language. Even the word joy and pork, they are actually French. Isn't that funny? I didn't know that. Now, in addition to the fact that CH often says the sh sound in French words, so in French word, CH says the sh sound. Okay, whenever you come across a French word, CH is going to make the sh sound. Okay, we will also learn many French words. Okay, so many of the elements or many of the things that our English words use, and they come from French. Okay, so let's look at words that have G in them, but we pronounce them as je, as in the word genre. Words that have et, we pronounce them as a, as in the word ballet. Words that have I-E, as long E, we pronounce machine. Okay? Now, at the end of the words, if we see k, we say the k sound as in antique. Okay? So k as in antique. And then if we have g, we have the g sound. So if you have Q-U-E, it's going to say the k sound as in antique. If the words end in G-U-E, we're not going to say gu, we're going to say g. As in the word dialogue. And S and T, if the words end in S or T and they're French, or they have been influenced by French, S and T would sometimes be silent, as in the word debris or debut. Okay? Debris or debut. So S and T are silent. We are not saying debris. We're not saying debut. Okay? We're saying debut and debris. Now, that is what we need to look at for when it comes to French words. Now, let us go back to our CH phonogram and the third sound it makes, sh sound, okay, as in the word chef. Now, if I were to build the word flip so that you can see better, or actually you can see here. If I were to build the word chair, C-H-A-I-R, and if I were to build the word chorus, C-H-O-R-U-S. Okay? And if I were to build the word chef, C-H-E-F, and I were to hold this phonogram card, in the word chair, what sound is CH making? That's right, it's making the ch sound. In the word chorus, what sound is CH making? K sound. In the word chef, what sound is CH making? It's making the sh sound. So ch, k, sh. Ch, k, sh. Okay? Now, let us look at our word cards and let us quickly go through what your word cards show us for this lesson. Okay, so the first word I have is brochure, chef, garage, je sound, critique. There, Q-U-E, it's ending in Q-U-E, so we have the K sound. Antique, critique. Etiquette, it's ending in E-E-T, as in, so there's, do you see how? So that means there's either a letter, there's a letter here, right? So E-T, so it's ending in E-T-T-E. So that means it's A sound, okay? Like ballet, etiquette. Then we have routine, either I or E. Okay, so we have a consonant or a letter in between I and E, so it's spelled as routine. League, if the words end in G-U-E, we say G sound. So league. And last one, magazine. Okay, so magazine. Again, the I and E sound. Okay, so magazine. Now our leap word for today, which I am surprised that I can't find the card for, is restaurant. Okay, so the leap word for this lesson is restaurant. If you go through your fluency sheet, you will find the word restaurant in there. Okay, once you have it, I am going to ask you to think of why restaurant. I'm going to write it down here. Why restaurant might be a leap word. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. Restaurant. Okay? It's a leap word because our letters A, U, they're not saying the A sound like we expect it to. Okay? So that's why it's a leap word. And on that note, we are going to go to practicing our sheet, our fluency sheet.